friends, we're still talking about my five senses. And here's a sheet that you can do either with some help or your parents can help you talk through it and then write down for you. So for my five senses, I love to listen to my favorite song. What's your favorite song? Write it in here or have your parents help you write it or they can write it for you. I love to smell, either sound out the word or have your parents write it for you. 3s and 4s are going to do this project, so just get some help if you need help. It's okay to ask for help. I love to look at my favorite color. What color is that? Can it be more than one color? Of course it can. My favorite food to eat is, you can of course have more than one, but you're tasting it with your tongue. I love to touch and cuddle with what do you like to touch? So fill this out and send it back to me. Another one that you're going to work on is my five senses. For this, you're going to cut out the different things, mouth, eyes, nose, ears, hands, and you're going to glue it where it needs to go. If it belongs on the face or the hands, you can also have help from a parent. If you're not quite sure about cutting, because these are pretty small, mom or dad or another adult can help you with that. Have fun with that one too. And this is a game called My Five Senses Chart. I can see, I can hear, I can touch, I can taste, I can smell. On the second sheet are different activities that you can do. An ice cream cone, rain, a train, a skunk, a dog, a wave, a drummer, sand, sandcastle, pizza, yum, a thorn, is it sharp? A rose, strawberries, snow, slide, cheeseburger, a horn, baking cookies, a siren, coffee, and a rainbow. Cut these out on the line. If you're having trouble cutting, no problem. Have mom or dad help you cut it out. And you're going to put it in the different sections here, such as a cheeseburger. Do you see a cheeseburger? So it could go there. Can you hear a cheeseburger? Can you touch a cheeseburger? Can you taste a cheeseburger? Or can you smell one? It might fit in more than one category, but just choose one. It's a game. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.